beach day was a success, and now it's time to freshen up with the fam. Introducing the JoyFous Retractable Rolling Shower Screen. It's water repellent, mold-proof, and super easy to set up for all 3-wall bathtubs. Just pull out the retractable water dam, adjust its size to match your bathtub, and attach it. Compared to traditional shower curtains, it runs in one smooth line from wall to wall, maximizing your shower space while creating a watertight seal to keep your bathroom dry for a no-mess, no-stress shower. The screen is designed with silicone coatings in PVC-wrapped fiberglass, so you can retract the screen without drying. It won't turn yellow or get moldy even after 10 years of use. When water hits the screen, 80% of it rolls right off. Easy to clean, and no gunk can stay. It's even stretchy and tear-resistant, making big moves possible in the shower space. The eco-friendly soft material is odor-free and hypoallergenic, so play never has to stop. Each screen is designed 55 inches tall and can fit all bathtubs up to 78 inches wide. When retracted, it's even unnoticeable, which makes your bathroom look bigger and better. This minimal look can revamp your bathroom with 2 color options. The shower screen can be installed in 2 easy ways, drilling it or gluing it. Hassle-free and no need to hire professionals. JoyFous. Enjoy happy showers every day.